wrong sir. And blah refuge no. And everything you like goes wrong sir. And blah refuge agile empo enifo. There are a lot of incidents in this school game book. So one in share with me. Ebiema sa incidents and how you will. And you think you get bad. Say the correct goes wrong. Na say your beya and come for the decision I want to make you. Say your papa. Say any papa. Say decision night time. But after the game, coach under protocol na papa and say me. I say football say you never see Cornelia. America and now you be and the baba may have let's make a decision. What a time I say about our goal. I said let's make a decision. Let's be genius. We have to take 6 minutes. Tell you what I'm doing. A couple of us money is it's a smart and it's a problem. We say all these things just because a young man for you and farmer. And we're going to do more. And the protocol is accept and admit. Say, no matter what I'm talking about, no one for you and farmer. So the opportunity to get chosen. As we speak, and the protocol and fairly performance I want in the last season. And even last season when you were performing, you won't reach a chosen. So see, I know what happened. And when the first Tottenham manager, the first 4 matches against Chelsea, we're losing now. The first Chelsea, we're losing now. The first Tottenham manager to do that. It is clearly the center is still holding. It is only opportunity after a game. No people start for kind of saying, yeah, can you take a number of support after the game? They can run your support behind you. But things like this, over the leadership, over the leader, and it's happening. And Papa, in the one that one year you want to come. Now, AC Milan, say AC Milan, a big for from the Papa Pine of the weekend. Not possible. About having to go to the everything. How I want to say what with that. How I say it. When the Tibia is not in this time. If you want to follow that AC Milan, if you catch up on the back, but when they come, you get that time to be able to perform for the crowd. For me, I think that is a big deal. The people that enjoy it in 2022 years, AC Milan to be GV and after 120. The people are